I start, I just wanted to, first of all, it's always a pleasure to see the chefs, your audience invites. And coming here in Hyderabad, first time for the TCA anniversary, the 6th anniversary, is really a pleasure. I just wanted to talk about the food what we eat. When we start eating, do we ever think of how that food came to our table? There are the people behind this, the farmers, the workers who work in the fields or in the forest or the fruit trees or horticulture. They are the people who really matter to us. Do we have any gratitude for them? When we have a meal, when we have a morsel of rice in our plate, let's have some gratitude for these people as well. People who bring that food, who grow that food, and then they will bring it to the market and to our hotels or restaurants or our homes, and the people who cook our food, the chefs, our mothers, sisters, daughters, and the people who cook food for us, and of course later on the servers. So let us be, and of course nothing happens without the will of the God, the Almighty. So always, whenever you are eating food or you are relishing food, have some gratitude for these people. So this is one thing which I would bring you back to that roots when you say. As a youngsters, I would only say a few things which the attitude and the attitude. The attitude is very important for you guys. If you how to deal with your colleagues, how to work in a atmosphere, a system where you all have as a teamwork, or to share your knowledge. These are the few things which attitude brings forward. So you have to have a very positive attitude, a positive approach to whatever you do. So please keep that in mind. Even if you have any, these are the things which you can pick up in your college, in your student life, and there are opportunities where you can improve on your attitude. But that's one basic. This can be done from your family background or from the college which you study. We would request you to be always either use your library. I don't think we use library anymore now, but your mobile, Google, or your magazines, your journals, or culinary magazines also. So these are things which will keep you up to date what is happening in the world, in our fraternity and our field. The other thing which I want you to be a part of the association, whatever association clubs you have for the culinary, whether it's a Young Chefs Association or TCA or IFCA, be a part of this. You learn a lot, you exchange views, you exchange ideas, and we have really gained out of it. Being a part of this association for almost now more than 40 years, being a part of various associations. Being a part of that CCC, like Chef Gupta was talking about, Club the Chef, where only the chefs who work for the President, Prime Minister, Queens and Kings have an association. I initiated that in the year 90, and for 7 years I was representing India for that. So these opportunities, now is the executive chef to the president is a member of that association. So and you get such a good opportunity going around the world on on somebody's sponsorship or on the government expense, and we have had that privilege of not being from a very affluent family, but still we were able to visit each and every country of the world, almost, and interact with the chefs over there. We got an opportunity to work with them, to show Indian cuisine. Be proud of your regional cuisine, You may have interest in whatever cuisine you have, but more than that, I think you need to know your own cuisine very well and try गर्व होना चाहिए अपनी cuisine के ऊपर. You should feel proud of it. This is what is required. आप जाओ कहीं पे भी wherever you go, talk about your food, talk about your cuisine, talk of your and do your best over there. People will certainly love to. They look forward to. They may have cuisine of their other world or international cuisine, but our people from our region and only make good food from this region only. So I would, just keeping this in mind, my time, I would now only congratulate the TCA for such a wonderful opportunity. Not only interacting with all the youngsters, maybe we'll have time now. We are here throughout the day and having an opportunity to meet the chefs from various other organizations, associations from various other places. Thank you very much.